Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica. Today we will learn how to add or subtract number on the tool. So let's move to the Abacus tool. Okay guys, so now this is our tool and we will add or subtract number by using this tool. Okay, let's start.
1 plus 3 plus 5. Answer
9.
okay.
2
Wait.
2
Plus 2 plus 5. Answer is
9.
okay.
2
Plus 6 minus 3. Answer is
5.
okay. 3 plus 5 minus 5. Answer is
3.
okay. 3 plus 1 plus 5. Answer is
9.
okay. 2 plus 2.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you are having any doubt, please comment below. Thank you.